Hello everyone, welcome to this example here where we are going to have this point P, and this point P is 5 meters from a tree. Okay, so there's this 5 meters from a tree, which we don't know the height yet, but TQ. Okay, and the angle of elevation from the top, from P to the top of the tree, so this is what we call the line of sight. So I'm going to highlight it also. Is 41 degrees. Find the height of this tree. So obviously this height of this tree, they are actually looking for TQ here. And at this point, because I saw angle here, because TQ we shall assume that it is vertically, then we can actually tap on our knowledge of Tuakaso. So given Tuakaso, and looking at our problem here, okay, the height is something that we need to find, and it is actually our opposite side, and we are given 5 meters. This is my adjacent side. Now with O and A, which of the three trigonometric ratios should I use? Yes, we are going to use our tangent ratio to help us solve this problem. Tangent 41 degrees will be equals to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is our height, TQ, over our opposite, our adjacent side, 5 meters. So multiplying 5 on both sides, this is what we will get. And therefore, by pressing the calculator, I would get 4.3464 to about 5 significant figures, followed by 3 significant figures. And that will be the height of the tree, which is TQ. With that, we have come to the end of this example. So if at any point of this video you like this, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Let's move on to the next example.